Number 11, it says determine if the sequence is arithmetic or geometric and then find the next three terms. Here we have A, it's going from -2, -4, -8, then -16. The fact that the numbers here are changing slowly, we want to look for if there is a arithmetic because it's going slowly. So it's going from -4 to -2 to -4, that is -2. From -4 to -8, that is -4. Then it's going from -8 to -16, so that's -8. There, we notice these numbers aren't the same, so it can't be arithmetic. The other thing we could look at if there's a common difference. And here, let's say it's multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2, and multiplying by 2. The fact that it's multiplying, this is geometric, okay? Because there's a common ratio. So to go to the next term, we also multiply it by 2. So -16 multiplied by 2, that is -32. And then we repeat that process to get the next terms. -64 and -128. Okay. Next, let's take a look at C. Okay. Let's see here. It was not changing slowly. It looked like that, but it was actually changing fast for an A. All right, let's look at 8. Here, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28. Okay, here, this also looks like it is changing slowly. So let's check arithmetic first. 8 to 13 plus 5, 13 to 8 plus 5, 18 to 23 plus 5, and 23 to 28 plus 5. So here, this is a arithmetic because there is a common difference. All right? So 28 plus 5 becomes 33. That's the next term. And then we keep adding 5 to get the next term, 38, and then 43. So there you go. That is how you determine if a sequence is arithmetic or geometric.